Have you recently started your Amazon seller journey? And are you looking for a great product, a successful product to sell on Amazon? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to utilize Cerebro from Helium 10. It's a reverse ASIN tool that can help you pinpoint and discover great opportunities and great products to sell on Amazon. So let's get started. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Product research is one of the most essential skills that any Amazon seller needs to master. And that's why you find so many different product research videos online and in particular on this channel. Now, I did do a couple of weeks ago an in-depth step-by-step tutorial about product research. Go ahead and watch it if you haven't already. However, in this video, we're going to be quickly looking at a way of how you can assess and analyze some great products on Amazon, let's call them from competitors, and how you can decide whether or not those would be good products for you to sell. Now, before I deep dive into Helium 10, I'll explain to you a little bit more about Helium 10 and why you should be utilizing this tool or any other tool as an Amazon seller. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave me a comment in the comment section below. And you'll be able to win a one-on-one consultation call with me where we discuss all the details related to your Amazon business. Now let's get started. Now, as you probably know, one of the great ways of finding products to sell on Amazon is simply scrolling on the Amazon website. So I found this product on Amazon.ae. And according to Helium 10, this product has a listing health score, or what we know as a listing quality score of 10. The listing is absolutely great. This is an international listing, hence why it has so many ratings. However, according to Helium 10, this product has no sales. And if we scroll down to look at the BSR, we'll notice that the BSR for kitchen, the main category, is quite high, at 77,971, so it's not really that good. And even the subcategory, which in this case is home storage mug holders, is 157. So it's obvious both from Helium 10 and from Amazon's internal details and data that are provided to us, this product is not performing very well. However, this could be an interesting product and it could be a good product for me to research further to find out whether or not other sellers are selling something similar. Now, the easiest way to do so would be to install a tool that can help you sift through the data. I can do everything that I'm going to show you today using Helium 10. I can do all of this manually. Certainly, there are some details and data that you can't find manually, but you can do all of these details manually. However, tools, like I always say, help you do things faster and smarter. And in e-commerce and business in general, that's what you really need. So if you still have not subscribed to Helium 10, we have a special discount code for you from the Amazon Sellers Society. You can get up to 20% discount on your Helium 10 subscription. You'll find the discount code and the information in the link in the description box of this video. So let's go to Cerebro. The most important thing would be to take the ASIN number, which if you have Helium 10, you'll find it right here. If you don't, you can also scroll down to the middle of the page at the product information level, and you'll find it right here. Here is the actual ASIN number. Then I am on Helium 10 and I'm utilizing a tool right here called Cerebro. It's part of the keyword research. Cerebro is what is known as a reverse ASIN tool, which basically means I would give it a particular ASIN and then I'm going to get the data related to this ASIN. Now, I'm going to focus on a few things that are very essential, so listen up. First and foremost, we're looking at all the potential keywords that this product, which I really like, is ranking for. The reason for that is I want to find the main keyword and then do a deep dive into that keyword. So this is where I need to be looking at search volume. Second, which is also sometimes important, looking at the search volume trend over the past 30 days. Is it increasing? Is it decreasing? Is it staying the same? So are more people looking for this product using that keyword, less, or simply the same over the course of 30 days? And finally, one very important metric, which is oftentimes misunderstood, is CPR. Basically, this helps me understand how many sales I would require as a new seller in order for my product to be ranked organically on the top of the first page of that particular keyword. Now, this information is very, very important because, of course, ranking and visibility are very essential when you're selling on Amazon. So since search volume is very essential for me, I'm going to click on search volume, and then Helium 10 is going to organize the largest keyword to the lowest keyword. Now, do remember that some of these keywords are actually organically ranked by Amazon, and they might not make a lot of sense for the product that we saw, such as kitchen towel. Now, the great thing is kitchen towel has a lot of search volume. However, it's unrelated to this product. Kitchen accessories, on the other hand, might be something that is related and has a search volume of 1,715. So on Amazon UAE, that is considered a high search volume. Coffee mugs, same thing. Kitchen, general keyword. Kitchen accessories is also a broad keyword. However, here I'm in a stage where I'm looking to find out if there's any potential product that I would like to sell based off a product that we just saw on Amazon while randomly scrolling. Bathroom shelf, kitchen storage, all of those are good. But the main keyword that looks to have good search volume is kitchen accessory. So let's go and find out what are the products that show up under kitchen accessory on Amazon itself. So as you saw, we started with a completely different product. We started with a product that was more or less a shelf and was targeting people who have coffee bars at home or who drink a lot of coffee because it's positioned as something related to coffee. But there wasn't really that much demand search-wise for this product, nor was there any sales. And now, after researching a little bit, we found this particular keyword, which is kitchen accessories, which is a generalized keyword, but now we find different types of products that might be a little bit more interesting. Now, to go further would be a good idea. As you can see, this is a general keyword, so you can find a lot of different products. But then once a product is appealing to you, the idea is to do Cerebro all over again to try to figure out whether or not this is a product that does have enough demand and is a product that adheres to the criteria that you like in order to sell such a particular product on Amazon. Now, this product seems interesting. Zulay is a very well-known brand and it is an international brand, hence the reason why there are so many reviews. It's only selling 50 units per month, but it's being sold at almost 100 dirhams. So let's do Cerebro again for this particular product. Using Cerebro, I did a reverse ASIN, and Helium 10 has provided me most of the keywords that are available for this particular product. Again, I'm going to click on search volume. And actually, one of the best-selling or one of the most important keywords for this product is a keyword that we just looked at, which is kitchen accessories. Kitchen tools and gadgets, kitchen utensil set. However, kitchen utensil set doesn't have a very high search volume. It's interesting to figure out that this particular product is ranking so well for kitchen accessories and doing so well for kitchen accessories. And it's interesting to find this product where you wouldn't normally find it and then go down the rabbit hole and figure out whether or not this would be a good product for you to sell. Now, I clicked on Run Listing Analyzer, and what I'm doing is I'm looking at all of the data from this listing on one page from Helium 10, on Helium 10. So first and foremost, I'm seeing the listing quality score, which is 9.5, which is absolutely wonderful, the price of the product, and the review count. I'm also able to see sales in dirhams from yesterday, the previous day, and the last 7 days. I can also see per units. And I can definitely change the dates if I want to see a larger range of time. Then I can see exactly how many units this product is selling, and it seems to be selling okay. And it does corroborate with the information that we just saw on Amazon, because on Amazon, the listing said that it's selling about 50 units per month, so it's approximately the same. This information can also be checked if you do manual check of the BSR, and you can follow and see if the BSR is changing day after day so that you can assess whether or not the product is selling, yes or no. I can also see more information about the listing quality score, the type of details inside of a listing, if it can be improved. This is a perfect product, so you wouldn't want to compete with this particular seller. And looking at competitor analysis and different details, also looking at the total keywords that this product is ranked for. 9 keywords are top 10 keywords, the search volume in total for these types of keywords, which helps me understand how much traffic this product is getting. Now, this is valuable information because this is going to help you assess whether or not you want to sell something similar, or whether or not this is too competitive, so you don't want to sell something similar, or whether or not it doesn't have enough demand for you to warrant launching a new private label product under the same category. Now, remember, as always, we have our free masterclass training linked in the description box of this video, so you can learn a little bit more tips and tricks about selling on Amazon. Make sure you reach out to our team if you need help and support with starting your own business on Amazon in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, or you need help and support with growing an existing Amazon business on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.